Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to activate your Chime debit card in the app. So first you have to download the app. Download the app from your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, you have to log into the app. So you need to log in with your username and password. But if you forgot, all you do is tap this need help and then select I forgot my password. And then receive your password recovery link via email address. Now, next time, when you log into your Chime mobile app, you will be prompted to create a new 4-digit mobile unlock passcode. Step 3 is tapping the card status widget. Once you're logged in, all you do is tap the card status and you would see a big green button that says activate. Now the fourth step is just activate the card. Now tap the green activate button and enter your card CVV number. This is the 3-digit card located next to the signature stripe on the back. Once you set your PIN, the Chime card is activated and ready to use. Once your Chime Visa debit card is activated, you can now use it to spend anywhere Visa is accepted. You can also enjoy the features like real-time transaction alerts and a convenient fee-free ATM finder. So everything just by activating this debit card. And also, you can activate your debit card over the phone. If you cannot access the Chime app or prefer to activate your card over phone, all you have to do is call this number to complete your Chime card activation. Just dial our automated system and follow the step as prompted. Now, you will need to verify your identity and card number and set a PIN to activate your Chime card by phone. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.